I was getting very fatigued.
It was just an ordeal.
I turned completely jaundiced, including my eyes. It was like a highlighter yellow. It's very scary.
Nearly 17,000 people are waiting for a liver transplant in the U.S. Throughout Chicagoland, UI Health is known for their expertise in all related transplant services, from assessing and preparing patients to post-surgical monitoring.
UI Health has a team of experts who can provide care for patients with various stages of liver disease. We provide highly personalized care for our patients at our downtown Chicago location, and also through outreach clinics in the Chicago suburbs as well as in downstate Illinois.
After going to several doctors, I finally met up with my local doctor in Peoria, who was associated with UI Health. After I met the team at UI Health, I knew I was going to be okay.
Staying in close contact with the patients on the transplant waiting list is extremely important. The waiting list for liver transplantation is done on an acuity system. It's designed so that the sickest patients get livers first. The MELD score is always changing, and so it's extremely important to update the MELD score because it could make the difference between then getting a liver or not.
Unfortunately, only around 6,500 livers become available for transplantation each year. Fortunately for some, there is another option.
We were one of the first centers in the country to perform living donor liver transplantation many years ago when it started.
I had less than 50% chance of living another 2 months. The doctors brought up the living donor being an option.
I hear his coworker talking about how his cousin needed a transplant. I just thought to myself, I would want somebody to help somebody in my family if I was in that situation.
Chris decided to get tested and turned out to be a perfect match in more ways than one.
The absolute best decision I've ever made. I gained a wife in the process.
So I feel great.
I knew they really, really cared about me and wanted to get me well.
The way they took care of me was just wonderful.
Learn more about the Liver Transplant Center at UI Health. Visit uihealthtransplant.care.